This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So as mentioned earlier, I told there are various ways of stealing credit and debit card detail. Now I am mentioning some of them so that you can be aware of such practices and save yourself. There are 5 ways of stealing credit card detail. First one is fraudulent website. This is the most common method in the digital world, where you will be asked to enter your card detail on a fake website page. Once you enter your card PIN, the website will get the thing that it wanted, your card details. Second one is fake confirmation call. You will get a random call from a hacker and he will ask you to confirm your card detail because he needs to update something on their system. Remember that no bank will call you for your card details. Third one is ATM machine. The hacker install their setup on ATM machine so that they get all the detail when a person enters his transaction detail to get the cash. Fourth one is website hack. Sometimes you put your detail on a reputed and genuine website like Netflix, Amazon Prime, but the website itself gets hacked. So all the data goes straight away to the hacker. And fifth one, random guess. Most of the card detail are random guesses using some pattern and software. If you are using any easy password and login detail, then you need to be very careful. Also keep changing your passwords frequently. These are some little steps and method that hacker use. In the end, they get the complete list of credit card detail and debit card along with the details of bank information.